we on? We rolling? Are we rolling? Yes, Dave, we got to make. We got everything all prepped up and everything. It's good. Can we roll? Oh, okay, all right. Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Rob from Rob's Gym. Happy Sunday Fun Day. What's goody? Today's video, right? This is a product review, right? Product review. Now listen, I've been through numerous Bluetooth headsets over the years, but check this out. I've met my match. Blackweb, right? This is the brand, Blackweb. Now I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this, right? Listen up. Wireless earphones with charging case for an additional 3 charges, right? We all need that. Pretty sure if you guys have owned Bluetooth, some things will go dead. You're like, oh God, you gotta wait till you get home or whatever to hook it back up, you know what I mean? Check it out. Earbuds automatically turn on and connect to your smartphone when removed from the case and automatically turn off the charge when put back in the case, right? High definition and sound with deep bass and clear treble. You're listening to that, right? Lightweight design with secure fit ear hooks so headphones stay firmly and comfortably in place. Stronger connection and long range up to 33 feet, 10 meters from calling device. Ideal for indoor and outdoor sports activities, meaning that if you guys like outdoor hiking, you're going for a walk or a jog or whatever, or you guys are members of a gym and you guys want to use these here instead of using actual headphones, you got these right here. Now I'm gonna show you how easy these are to put in. You just take this little hook here, see this here, take this here. See, it's bendable. Hooks are very bendable, right? Slide it here, boom. Here's another one. Take it in, slide it, boom. There you go. Look at that. Boom, look at that. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Easy, very simple, right? Now, the playing time is up to 3.5 hours, right? 12.5 hours with charging case. Now, I'm telling y'all something, man. These are definitely worth the money. I paid about 40 bucks for these, and they've been worth it. When I tell you that they're worth it, y'all, I'm telling y'all, you guys need to get you guys this here, really. And like I said, this is the charging case, and all you have to do, you just take your little USB. All you're gonna do is slide it here. Oh yeah, slide it right here. Oops. Slide it right here, right? Take it here, put it to your little plug, boom. Put in the wall, there you go. You know what I mean? And I'll show you here. All you're gonna do, right here, slide into the charging case. Oops. It's like this right here. There you go. It's in the charging case. 12.5 hours. You get your charging. Now I'm gonna tell you something. You guys really need to take advantage of this. I'm telling you something here. I'm gonna read this little note inside the box here for you too, right? It says, when pairing for the first time, remove Bluetooth. When pairing for the first time, remove both earphones from the charging case. Do not push any buttons at this time. Connect your device by searching for Blackweb TWS in ear. The Blackweb TWS earphones will automatically connect to the device they were last paired to. I'm gonna tell you, I've had no problems with these. You know, I've had Bluetooth over the years where, it comes with a little cord. You put them around here, and you hook it behind your ears. And when you go to lift weights, it's like I'll give you an example. Let's just say I'm on the bench press or I'm doing a floor exercise for abs or whatnot. When I lay down, they tend to fall off. Or you guys have seen the Bluetooth. It's like a necklace goes around your neck, right? Same thing. You go to lay down on the bench and to perform a bench press. You lay on the floor, you do abs, and the thing falls off. It's so inconvenient. You know what I mean? So inconvenient. But like I said, these right here are very beneficial, especially if you're active, if you live an active lifestyle. You go for walks, jogs, and if you guys are members of a gym or whatnot. I'm telling you something. You put these behind your ear, just like this right here. And I'm telling you, look, I can lay back, turn, side. They're not going anywhere. They're going to be hooked right behind your ear. So I'm telling you guys something. It's definitely worth the investment. I'm serious. The brand is called Blackweb, okay? And I'm gonna tell you something, it works great. I definitely recommend these. Blackweb, if you're listening to me give this review, look, this is the plug. put your boy on, all right? Because you guys seriously have made a good product and everything. And I definitely, like I said, I've had plenty of Bluetooth over the years, and these are seriously like number one for me. I've had no problem at all, you know. Let me see if I could open this up for you here. Here it comes with got your little instructional kit and everything. It even actually comes too, guys, comes with some additional earbuds. I've had issues with like little earbuds like this. They'll tend to fall off and you can't find them, and finding replacements for these sometimes can be a pain, but they give you replacements, little earbuds put in your ear, okay? Got right there for you. It even, once you open up the box, it gives you right here. It even gives you the setup of the headphones and everything. It talks about the LED indicator light, the built-in microphone, the pogo pins, which the pogo pins are actually right here. These are the pogo pins right here. Those two little circles right there. Okay. The ergonomic ear hook right here, which is the ergonomic ear hooks right here, which, like I said before, it goes so comfortably behind the ear. You know what I mean? No problems. Boom. Look at it. See? Right there. No problems. All right? Has the on and off switch answer. So, of course, you can listen to your music, of course, answer phone calls or whatnot. So there won't be any interruptions. Like I said, if you're in the gym working out, you're going for a walk, somebody calls, boom, push the button. Pow. You know what I mean? That's play pause button. Because, you know, if you want to go to your previous track, you know, for your music. And like I said, this what makes it so cool. What I like about it is that it has this magnetic function inside of the case here. So when you when you take these, when you go to put it back in, it just snaps in. See, just like that. See, watch this. Snaps right in, just like that. Boom, no problem. You guys see the charging lights on right now. You know what I mean? So I'm telling you guys, man, this is definitely a great product. Definitely a great Christmas gift for anyone that you may know that may be looking for a Bluetooth device. The company, once again, is called Blackweb. I definitely recommend this to all you guys. Hopefully, you guys have gotten. I've excited a lot of you guys. If you guys have been on the hunt looking for Bluetooths, you guys can actually find these actually at Target. You can find these at Target. You know, Target actually. No, you know what? Target. Oh, it was Walmart. Excuse me. Walmart has these. And I'm gonna tell you guys something. It's worth the money. It's definitely worth the money, y'all. I'm telling you. Go check these out. All right, Blackweb. All right, that's the brand. All right. I appreciate you guys hanging with me. Oh, one more thing. Here's your got your little manual right here too. Got your little instructions and everything. The product guide right here too. Okay, and everything. And like I said, it's so self-explanatory. You know. Oh, just to let you know too, the earbuds, they come in small, medium, and large. They give you different sizes because everybody's earlobes, is different. You know what I mean? Ear holes, you know what I mean? It's all different. So it comes with like I said, it comes with the USB charging cable, charging cases I showed you guys and everything. And like I said, I believe it's definitely beneficial for you. The sound quality is perfect. When I'm in the gym, I like to have great sound. You know what I mean? I just like to hear my music and like nothing else on the outside. You know what I mean? So this would be definitely beneficial for you guys to take advantage of. All right. So if you guys do decide to actually purchase this product, they tag me. Let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna be very, very just curious to hear your output on what you think about it. All right. So up until then, man, thank you guys for your love and support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this product review. Happy Sunday fun day to you guys, man. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. And we'll be seeing you guys, man. Thank you for your love and support. Peace.